Check out our newest feature release. We've got some major workflow updates to share with you. Now we've got a better go-to action, as well as speed increases and an unsaved alert. Our CRM's latest workflow updates enhance your experience by introducing an Unsaved Changes Alert for seamless workflow management. And we've updated the go-to option in workflows to make the UI so much more intuitive. Why it matters and how this is going to help you and your business. Well, first of all, it is never fun to lose all of your work. Now you're going to receive alerts when you have unsaved changes. You'll also experience an improved user experience with optimized go-to workflow links. And you're going to enjoy a faster workflow builder because we've made some major code optimizations to make that possible. First, we're going to go ahead and access workflows. Go ahead and click on Automation in the left-hand navigation. And as that upper navigation opens up, make sure you're in the Workflows area and then click on Plus Create Workflow. You can create from scratch or choose an existing template. I always like to create from scratch, and that's what I'm going to do in this example. After you've added that workflow trigger based on what you need, go ahead and click on the plus button below so that you can go ahead and open up all of those actions. Once those actions open up, look for the go-to action. When you're utilizing the go-to action, you're going to see that the lines are different. This is the major update. The lines are now behind all of your other actions so that there's no confusion. You can also hover over any specific go-to action line and make it so that it's easier to see where exactly you're sending people from and to. Now, with that unsaved reminder, the system is now going to prompt you when you have unsaved changes with a nice simple alert. We hope you enjoy these new feature updates. Let us know if you need any help at all.